Hello again at welcome mga ka-VA dito na naman sa ating channel, Virtual Assistant Life. Thank you po. We are actually now on day 3 of a Filipino VA's house construction journey. And I'll swipe into the original audio of the video. Look here. Look here. Day 3. Day 3, you're still wearing your pajamas.
Yes. I'm lazy. And they are still playing basketball. They did not even change. When did they stop?
They just set it up. Don't run. What?
Oh, this tatay.
Kaya,
Doesn't look like him.
the dog or the person?
The Kobe's tatay. The dog. Playing a real for my house. No, the chef was dodging their basketball skills.
Oh, look.
Oh, we're going to the water.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, there's a line, huh? There's a line.
Oh, what?
Go under it. Go. Oh, no, don't pull it too much. Masyal lang ulit. Yeah. They, yeah, it's okay. Just say hi. Still no eh. I'm just swallowing up na eh. Wait lang, wait lang.
Wait, be careful.
Okay po. Day 3. It will take a long time. Oh, here. Picture here.
Cannot.
Yeah, just get there.
Here.
Just stop there.
Three there. We're not even taking a picture. It's just a video.
I am taking a look. I am taking a picture.
Are they gonna pee?
Yeah, after. Say bye-bye. Oh, careful. Go under. Crouch. Oh, here, day 3. Here.
Day 3.
Oh, wait. Day.
Day 3.
Okay, so eto na naman tayo. Nakita na natin ang ating photos as the summary of day 3. And as you can see sa day 3 na nalagay na nila yung mga hollow blocks, um, nakapag-hukay na sila actually for the first 2 days. At doon na pinapasak ngayon itong mga magiging poste and magiging hollow blocks. And this will be a short video kasi konti lang din naman yung nangyari. Pero again, we can see that there are really changes day to day. And sana makuha na namin yung pangalan ni Doggy. um, unti-unti na siyang natatakpan. Day 3, um, meron din kaming na, mga nakaharap na problema sa aming construction. Try ko siyang i-share as we go along. Of course, syempre sa budgeting, etc. Um, so, yun yung mga challenges. So, but thank you for watching again. This is day 3 of our construction journey. Thank you for watching Virtual Assistant Live. And please make sure that you share, you like, subscribe, and until the next video. Thank you.